Buying a car is a major investment. It is important to be educated about the process and understand what you are getting into before you commit to a purchase. This video is designed to provide you with the top 10 things to consider when buying a car. We will discuss the various factors to consider, from the type of car you want to the financing options available to you. But first, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. So, let's get started. 1. Decide on the type of car you want. The first thing you need to consider when buying a car is what type of car you want. Do you want a sedan, a coupe, an SUV, or a hybrid? Are you looking for a luxury vehicle or a more affordable option? Do you need a car with a lot of cargo space or a vehicle that is fuel efficient? These are all important questions to ask yourself when deciding on the type of car you want. 2. Set a budget. Once you have decided on the type of car you want, it is important to set a budget. You should consider the cost of the car, taxes, registration fees, and insurance when setting your budget. You also need to consider other costs such as fuel, maintenance, and repairs. Make sure you are realistic about your budget and are prepared to stick to it. 3. Do your research. Before you start shopping around, you should do your research. Read reviews and ratings of different car models to make sure that you are getting a reliable and safe car. It is also important to compare prices to make sure you are getting the best deal. 4. Take a test drive. Once you have narrowed down your choices, it is important to take a test drive. This will help you get a better feel for the car and make sure that it meets your needs. It is also a good idea to bring a mechanic to inspect the car before you make a purchase. 5. Read the fine print. It is important to read the fine print before signing a contract. Make sure you understand all the terms and conditions of the agreement, including any warranties or guarantees. 6. Consider financing options. If you need to finance your purchase, you should consider your options. You can get a loan from a bank, credit union, or car dealership. You should compare interest rates and terms before you make a decision. 7. Think about insurance. Once you have purchased your car, you will need to think about insurance. You should shop around for the best rates and coverage. 8. Check for safety features. It is important to make sure that your car has the latest safety features. This includes airbags, anti-lock brakes, and other features that can help keep you safe on the road. 9. Consider fuel economy. When buying a car, it is important to consider its fuel economy. This will help you save money in the long run and may even qualify you for tax credits. 10. Choose a reputable dealer. Finally, you should make sure that you are dealing with a reputable dealer. Check customer reviews and make sure that the dealer offers a good return policy. In conclusion, buying a car is a major investment, so it is important to be educated about the process and understand what you need to consider before you commit to a purchase. We hope that this video has provided you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. We wish you the best of luck with your car buying journey. Thanks for watching Def by 4 and always enjoy the ride.